What's good, guys? It's Big Dre. Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel, where we discuss investments, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. In this episode of Journey to the Metaverse, we're going to be discussing Afterearth. Before we go any further, click that like button down below. Our goal for this video is to actually get 5 likes. And click subscribe. We're trying to get to 10k. Help us on that journey. Turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I release a new video. Afterearth is essentially a trading platform at the moment, but it has the intention to become a metaverse, similar to what we see with open world games such as GTA 5. In this update video, we're going to be talking about what's been said by the CEO and founder Arkorsel and what he's given us in terms of update and what we can expect in the future for Afterearth. Guys, make sure you stick around to the end, as I will be dissecting all 3 images that have been provided, and make sure you use the code BI9DRE to get 5% off all your block purchases. I'll put this information up on the side so you can read it for yourself, but basically he started off just by saying he didn't expect Afterearth to get the reception that it did, as there was a lot of people that just didn't want to see the success of the platform. He's now giving us a bit more insight in terms of the future of Afterearth. So he said he wants there to be nightclubs, he wants there to be casinos, exhibitions and concerts, and a lot more. He also wants to introduce EPOs, or what we know in Earth 2 as EPOs, which is basically a teleportation system which allows you to move from one location to another rather than jump onto the Afterearth platform and then you've got to navigate your way around. He also said we're going to be able to build our own assets on our own Afterearth islands. He's also said from building our own assets, we're going to be able to generate our own income or revenue streams. And this is the main reason why water blocks are restricted. And as we know on Earth 2, everything's open. You can buy everything on Earth 2. But they restricted it for this purpose, or so they say, on Afterearth. As we know on Earth 2 as well, they're planning to get rid of all the buildings. However, on Afterearth, they want to keep the structures. So they want to use around 71% of the Earth without losing the real world assets. Okay guys, so as promised, I'm going to dissect the first image that they've given us. So this is the Liberty Island, which houses the Statue of Liberty. So as you can see, we've got some buildings over there. It does look a bit cartoony. It does look good, don't get me wrong, for what it is, it does look good, but however, it does look very cartoony. You can see got some lights there, lights in the building. You can also see lights reflecting onto the Statue of Liberty as well. It looks good so far. So if you go on to the next image now, so what we can see, we've got Times Square there, which is in New York City for those who don't know. And you know, you'll see, you can look around at the buildings. We're not going to go too much into this because I do make a video on it afterwards. Then also that's the third image as well, you see here, which shows the memorial for the Twin Towers. As we all know, 9/11 happened and all that stuff. So yeah, there's the memorial for the Twin Towers there, highlighted in blue. I don't know if it's going to be like that when they actually release the game itself, the virtual reality game. But it's nice to know that they are including landmarks that exist in real life and putting that into 3D as well. So let's get into the video now. Okay, so I've gone onto the website, gone into the beta mode, and as you can see, this is what it actually looks like in 3D. So this is what a representation of what the VR would look like. So we can see as well, there was a plane flying around not too long ago. The thing messed up there, I don't know what happened. But anyway, if we zoom in now, we can actually see the cars driving on the street. As you see, the roads are a bit messed up. But anyway, this is only the beta, it's just started, so you're going to expect some hiccups here and there. But as you see, it does look a bit cartoony from my liking, but it's okay. Anyway, let's get into the next section now. So we're talking about splitting assets. So as we know, at the moment, if you buy a block of assets, you can't split them. So what they've said is, as long as you have a minimum of 20 blocks, you can actually split the assets up. But they haven't told us how it's going to happen. Does it have to all be equal blocks? They're going to need to tell us a bit more. Then they've said asset interest. So we have withdrawal interest, non-withdrawal, and crypto interest. The first and the third sound great. Non-withdrawal, I'm not too liking the sound of that. They need to give us more information. Then of course they've spoken about unique address, which is basically, instead of going onto the platform and finding the island you want to go to, you can actually put the URL straight in and jump straight in to where you want to go, which is a big major plus. Oh yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. Do you think this update is good news? And make sure you leave a like and a comment after this video, and make sure you subscribe. I also forgot, I will include the PDF folder that you just saw at the bottom. You can have a read through it for yourself. I'm not too interested in this bit myself, but you can pause the video, have a read through it, see what you think of it.